Hi there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and I finally have a reason to motivate me to work out because after I get to have one of these no-cow bars. So these are the no-cow bars dipped multi-pack. It comes with a bunch of different flavors. But the nice thing about these protein bars is one, they are totally vegan. So if you need a vegan bar, maybe you're lactose intolerant, maybe you're on a specific diet, or maybe you're just trying to keep a healthy diet, then these are great. These bars are a chewy bar. I like to keep them in the fridge and they taste so good cold. They are healthy without sacrificing flavor. So I love these. They really taste like you're getting a little dessert after you work out. They have 20 grams of vegan protein. They're naturally flavored, they're healthy, low in sugar, vegan, and they're gonna give you that protein boost that you need. They're all delicious. I'm happy with every flavor I got, and I highly recommend this brand. But that's just my point of view.